everyone, I got my mattress all set up and I'm so excited about it. This mattress is super soft and it is a pretty thick mattress.
On both sides, you have these hooks right here. That way you can pick up the bed, you can move it around. I love that it is super well stitched. It is not gonna fall apart. The sides are very durable and very firm.
I use CertiPUR-US certified foam, OEKO-TEX certified fabric. Just sitting on this mattress, you feel this cool to the touch feeling. And that is from that gel-infused layer that provides a really nice night of sleep where you don't have to worry about waking up in a sweat. Just look at how this supports your spine. Whether you're laying flat on your back, I mean, it truly has this medium firm support, which I really like.
Right now, I can see her jumping, but to be honest, I barely feel it on my side. That is how nice the motion isolation on this bed is. Very comfortable mattress. I definitely recommend this.
If you're in the market for a very thoughtful, well-made, assembled in the US with high quality materials with these 5 layers, look no further. I truly love this mattress so far, and I can't wait for my son to sleep on it tonight to tell me how great of a night's sleep he had.